Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video. Picked up a couple items for myself from Home Depot. Also picked up a bunch of stuff for my wife's gardening. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Got also a couple items from Napa. Alright, see you guys there. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up a couple items from Home Depot. I did a video a while back on the very large, it's about this big, 100-foot tape measure from Milwaukee. I think that reason that one went on sale was because this one came out. It's the more compact, small style one with 100 feet. And I also grabbed this guy. And this guy was on the shelf. It was just sitting next to a bunch of the black style ones, which, let me show you guys. Sitting next to a bunch of these style. It's different color. It's about the same. It's got a tapered end. Press and flip, quick change. It's got a gut hook, metal body. I like the metal body ones. This one's metal body as well. Funny thing is though, this was only $11. It was the only one there. The rest of them were this style. I thought it was kind of interesting. I just grabbed it. I've been using the utility blades quite a bit. This one is item 4822-1901. And this one is the closed reel long tape 100-foot. It is 48-22-5101. We're gonna cut these open real quick. It does have a single blade. This blade right here. The blade's not marked. It doesn't have Milwaukee's name on it or anything. Wire stripper. Strips up to 12 gauge. Which is this notch right here. Which is the same point I'd made a while back. It does have a nice long rectangular button, easy to push on, easy to lock, and that you can strip wire through here. Which you probably might be able to get away with like 10 gauge, might do 10 gauge, but it's nothing extremely special. Just another quick flipper box cutter. It's nice and smooth. This one has, instead of the black clip, which I can't stand these clips. They're very hard to get into pockets, very hard to get out of pockets, just my opinion. It has the longer, more pronounced silver clip. We'll see how well this holds up, see how easy, if this one's easier to get in and out of pockets. The bend in this clip is a lot more pronounced than the bend in this one, so it might be easier to get in and out of pockets. It's nice and smooth. It does have brass inserts, as well as what might look like stainless steel bearing races. So I thought the silver accent was kind of nice. instead of just the black. And the other reason, you know, I wasn't sure what the price was. It was the only one there. None of the physical barcode numbers matched any of the barcodes on the shelf, so I couldn't find a price for it. And it was literally the only one there. I'm not really sure if it was accidentally sent there, and they just put it on the shelf in a random spot with the rest of the box cutters. But I grabbed it. Grab this one real quick. Cut this one out. I keep forgetting to buy another one of these Warrior cutters. I've gone to Harbor Freight a few times this week, just didn't grab one. I like that one, so it wouldn't be nice to have two of those cutters. That way when one's charging, you know, you got the other one. Grab a little pair of snips. Snippy snip. Okay. Pop it out the box. This one does have an open design on each end, so if you do drag this through the dirt or anything like that, it's going to be pretty easy to get it somewhat clean. It's got the fold out tangs, the hooks, hook on wood. It's a very nice unit. Pop it up, can stand on its own. So I grabbed those two items. I grabbed 3 of these guys from Napa, which either just petcocks or they're also known as shut-off valves. These are for running to like gas tanks. That way you can turn the gas tank off if you need to remove the gas tank. It doesn't drip all over everything. These are for the Predator motors, and I did get a bunch of 1/4 inch fuel line and some other stuff. I'm going to I'm not going to show you the fuel line and everything. It's in a bag, and I've already cut half the fuel line up. So the 420 sitting over there on the welding cart at the moment. This is the 212. The box is empty. So let's show you guys the other stuff picked up at Home Depot. Here's the tiller, the Craftsman tiller with the Predator 212 on it. It bolted right on. I just didn't want to fuss with putting the 420cc on it. All of this soil right here next to the water box was amended. I used the Kellogg's Amend 1 2 cubic foot bag here and 2 cubic foot bag here, and 2 King steer manure bags here, 2 King steer manure bags here, and you can clearly tell the difference. What's amended, what isn't. This right here is not amended, and then this is, might be hard to see, but there you go. There isn't a lot of light out here. All of these bags were originally in the living room, in front of the couch or the garage, and we decided to move them out here. All of this was picked up yesterday, the same time I picked up that knife and the tape measure and or the box cutter, the Milwaukee box cutter and the Milwaukee tape measure. All of these bags of Grow King steer manure. So we used 2 of these bags, or 4 of these bags yesterday on that front section. So 2 in one section, 2 in the other, and then 2 of these Kellogg's organic amend bags to amend the soil were also used. So it was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubic feet all together for that spot. So picked up 12 of these bags. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We had 9 already. So I picked up 12 more. We had 9. We used 4 of the 9 that we had. So now we have 4 left of the original batch plus these new these 12 more. These 12 are actually going to be for this long run right here. So I need to make this section bigger. This spot, this mound right here, my wife amended already, but I need to make it as wide as the section that I cut. So we're going to have to come over here and kind of cut it to like right here where my foot is, all the way down, and mix this up, and we're going to amend this whole section. This giant mound right here is actually what came out of this bed right here. There's going to be a mound similar to this size when this is all pulled up, because we got to remove dirt to put the amend in it, because we want to mix the amend with what dirt we leave in here. And if we need to add dirt back, we can just go to the pile and add dirt back. And the reason all this is wet is, for one, it was raining, wind storms, and I kind of watered it down so that way the wind wouldn't blow all of it away. This was found buried like 2.5, 3 feet down in here. So this section took 8 cubic feet between the manure, the steer manure, and the amend bags. But that's what I picked up for my wife. That motor was picked up before that, this motor. And it was to replace that Briggs & Stratton 6.5 horsepower, 208 cc. This is a 212 cc. This motor definitely has more power than the Briggs & Stratton by far, because I tilled all of this section in hard, extremely hard to break dirt with this motor running on like 20% power. It barreled right through it at 20% power. If I full throttle it, it will break through probably just about anything. I was pretty amazed of how much power the tines on this dual counter rotating tine tiller had when this was on just basically idling. Like this tiller with like 2% throttle, the throttle, you know, literally like 2% right there, it will move this tiller forward. You know, it will physically engage the tires and just move the tiller without you throttling the belt. Because this handle actually engages the tines. It also engages the wheels. So if you put it in forward without the tines running, or in reverse, with this motor on 2% power, it physically walks the tiller without you having to pull this handle. You pull this handle right here. You pull this handle up, it actually tightens this pulley, tightens the belt. And it's pretty amazing how much more power this little Predator has. I'm assuming that Briggs has been just about ready to had it for a while now, because that Briggs had to be full throttled to even get any movement out of this tiller. So I'm happy with that 212. I'm gonna go pick up the warranty. I have 30 days to pick up the warranty. I'm gonna go pick it up probably, you know, in, I don't know, 2 weeks or so, because I have 30 days, you know. Give it a couple weeks, I'll pick it up. Just didn't want to buy a warranty at that moment. I wanted to get it just installed and done with. And this is the second motor. The first one I bought, it was hunting for fuel extremely bad. So this is just kind of an all around, you know, I got some stuff from Home Depot for me, for my wife, you know, and kind of an update of what's going on. the tiller made that pile very easy to pile because it was tilled, so you could just scoop it out with a shovel, no big deal. I'll give another update. This motor has started on me first pull every time, no issues. It has no gas. They ran it out of gas between the break-in time of the 3 hours plus the 30 or so minutes of usage. I didn't even fill this tank. I only filled the tank like a 1/4 inch at the bottom, and it ran for about 4.5 hours total. So, you know, 1/4 inch at the bottom, that's quite a bit of runtime on this large tank. But appreciate you guys hanging out with me. It's dirty because it's been raining. It was perfectly clean when I put it on here. But appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Just wanted to give you guys an update what's going on, and hopefully we'll see you guys on the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon hit the bell notification icon for updates. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And quick note, real quick, this button right here is on the front on this side, and on this one it's on the back. So it's the same button. It's just on the opposite side. So on this one it's got the cutout right here and the handle in the front. So I do like that the button is on the front. This one's on the back, but it's got this little metal ridge that covers it. So sometimes you gotta find the ridge and you gotta put your finger back behind the ridge, and sometimes it could be a pain, sometimes it's not. So I do like that they put the button on the front on this one. If you guys have this specific fastback, please let me know. This one doesn't have the model number stamped in it like the rest of them. This one has it 4822-1502. It doesn't have it stamped in it anywhere, which is interesting to me, that they didn't stamp the model number in the back here. But model number for this one is the 4822-1901. So 1901 is probably a newer model. What is this little one right here? This little one has the plastic handle. This one is the one with the extra blade storage, but this one doesn't have extra blade storage. This one is 4822-1500. So this one is 4822-1901. I'll probably permanent marker it on here or something so I can remember. But appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. Amazon, Acme Tools, Ohio Power Tools, and DJI Electronics affiliate links down below if you guys want to go check those out. I also, top of the description, also have an Also Tools link down below for you guys. If you guys want to click on it, get you 10% off your order at alsotools.com. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you to all the subscribers, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!